We have a fraction on the left side and a constant term on the right side. I will write back the term on the left side, and for negative 7, I will put as negative 7 over 1. Then we cross multiply. Negative 7 bracket 4x plus 6. 21 times 1 is 21. Let's expand the left side. Negative 7 times 4x is negative 28x. Negative 7 times 6 is negative 42, equals to 21. Let's keep the x term on the left side. Right side will be 21. Bringing over negative 42, that becomes positive 42. Negative 28x is equals to 63. Let's divide both sides by negative 28. We do that so that we can cancel out negative 28 and make x alone. Hence, x will be equals to, let's divide the numerator and denominator by 7. That will be negative 9 over 4. Let's convert the right side to a fraction. That will be 9 over 1. 45 over 1 minus 2x is on the right side. To make this expression linear, means without fractions, let's cross multiply. We have 9 bracket 1 minus 2x is equals to 45. Let's expand the left side. That will be 9 minus 18x is equals to 45. Keeping negative 18x on the left side, let's bring positive 9 over. The right side will be 45. Positive 9 bringing over will become negative 9. So negative 18x will be 36. Dividing both sides by negative 18. We can cancel out negative 18 for the numerator and denominator to make x alone, and this gives us negative 2. We have a fraction and a constant term on the left side. Let's make them into one single fraction. The common denominator will be 5x plus 3. The numerator will be 28 minus, we need to times 5x plus 3. So we have 1 times 5x plus 3. Let's keep the bracket in first. That will be equals to 3 over 4. Now we need to expand out this bracket. (28) minus 1 times 5x will be negative 5x. Negative 1 times positive 3 will be negative 3. Over 5x plus 3 equals to 3 over 4. 28 minus 3 is 25. 25 minus 5x over 5x plus 3 is equals to 3 over 4. Now we have a single fraction on the left side and a single fraction on the right side. We can cross multiply. That gives us 4 bracket 25 minus 5x is equals to 3 bracket 5x plus 3. Let's expand out both sides. That will be 100 minus 20x is equals to 15x plus 9. Okay, what I just did was to expand out. Now let's keep all the x term on the left side. So we keep 20x, negative 20x. Bring over positive 15x, that becomes negative 15x. Let's keep 9 on the right side, and we need to bring over positive 100, and that becomes negative 100. This is negative 35x is equals to negative 91. And let's divide both sides by negative 35. Right side will be negative 91 over negative 35. Both are multiples of 7. We can divide the numerator and denominator by 7. Negative divided by negative will be positive. Okay, 91 divided by 7 will be 13, and 35 divided by 7 will be 5, and that will be the answer. Left side is 6 over 7, and the right side, we need to make this into one single fraction. You can view it as 1 over x plus 6, and this 1 whole, we have to make it with the denominator 6 plus x. Hence the numerator will be 6 plus x. This expression here is actually equals to 1 whole, because when we cancel the numerator, the denominator is equals to 1. Left side is 6 over 7. Now let's put the right side into one single fraction with the common denominator x plus 6. And that gives us 1 plus x plus 6 in the numerator. This becomes 7 plus x over x plus 6. Or rather, we can write it as x plus 7. We have single fractions on both sides. We are ready to cross multiply. 6 times x plus 6 is equals to 7 times x plus 7. Let's expand out. 6x plus 36 is equals to 7x plus 49. Okay, I'll write this out again. 6x plus 36 is equals to 7x plus 49. I will bring all the x terms to one side. So we have 6x. Let's bring over 7x. That becomes negative 7x equals to, we keep 49 on the right side. Bring over positive 36. That becomes negative 36. So negative x will be 13. And to remove away this negative from the x, you can think of it like dividing by negative 1 on both sides. Although you do not need to write out this step. And that will be negative divided by negative will be positive. So x is equals to 13 divided by negative 1 will be negative 13. You may also think about it this way, that we have negative x is equals to 13. And you will just change signs for both sides. Negative become positive. And then positive 13 becomes negative 13.